Hi, I am RK. Today we will see how to make a chart using Alt function. A default chart will be made with the data, and if you hide the data, then the chart will disappear. How to retain the chart after you hide the data, that also we will see. And how to snap the chart to a grid position so that you can accurately locate the chart. And then how to add a title using a text box inside the chart by a simple step. We will see one by one. I'll take a Excel sheet, book 1. First I will do is I will take a data. I'm going to take the data here. I've taken the data here. And all I need to do is you have to select the data and then press Alt F1. You got the graph. If you press Alt F1, you will get something else. So don't do that. You will have to select the data and then press Alt F1. I'll do it again. So you select the data first and then press Alt F1. You get it, right? And if you want to, please see here, it is not snapped to the grid. So in order to snap the grid, press again Alt 1 and then move it. See, it is snapped to the grid, right? So for this, all you need to do is you have to go to the format, align. See, it is snapped to the grid is there. So this should be checked. Otherwise, it will not work. Okay, that will not. Now, another thing is I want to add a title here. What I will do is I will delete the title. Delete it, right? Now, if you want to reduce that chart, you can reduce the chart size. Right? If you want to still reduce, you can still reduce. Now I am going to select the chart. This is very important. And then insert any text box. I am to have a shape and insert rectangle. So I will insert a rectangle. Now you can change the color. Now it is connected to this. It is grouped to this. See, if I move this, if I hold this and move it, it will be moving along with the text box that you have selected. Now all you need to do is if you can press Ctrl Alt and then so that it is grid snapped. And if you want to add any title, you can add any title. And then you can center it. Center this here and then change the font size. And if you want, you can go there and then change the font size. Make it bold. And similarly here, if you want, you can make it bold. You can increase the size. And then you can select here and then right click. And if you want to add data label, you can add data label. So it is here. This is how you can make an Excel chart and attach a text box to it. Thank you very much for watching.